they've hit another one out of the ballpark. I gave this a very thorough test before I decided to make the video, and I can say with 100% certainty, this stuff is fabulous. I've used almost the entire container. This is specifically for pet laundry, and I'll tell you why I love it. You know how when your dog or your cat or your kids have a blanket and they lay on it all the time, it begins to smell like the dog? Well, when the other blankets get put on top of the dog blanket, as they inevitably do, then pretty soon all of your blankets smell like dog. It's lovely. It's lovely. Here was my normal routine for getting the dog smell out of the blankets. Rinse, full wash with the detergent pod, secondary full wash with the detergent pod, a rinse agent, some of those little beads that you put in there to make them smell good, and then sometimes even a third cycle to get them smelling good. This is no exaggeration. It took me many loads of laundry to get the blankets to smell good. And sometimes I would just have to wash them one at a time because I felt like when there were several in there together, the smells were just getting all over each other for some reason. Until I tried this. Now, the first time I used this, I used it just like my normal routine. I did the pre-rinse, I did this, I did the pod, I did the rinse cycle, and some little crystals. Came out, first wash, didn't have to do a second wash, still did the rinse though. Thought, okay, let's keep mixing it up. Let's see how far I can get using just this. So each time I tried fewer products until finally it got where I could just wash with this. I didn't even have to use a Tide Pod and it would come out smelling good. Now, I really like my clothes to smell like something. And in particular, I like the blankets to have a very deep fragrance that smells good for a while. So I did add back in a Tide Pod or I'll do a rinse agent so that I get the scent going a little bit longer. Don't come at me about the harm of the scents. It's my life. I'm gonna have them. But the whole point is this stuff is really good for getting out the animal smells. I don't know how it works. It's some kind of magic potion, but I know there's a little scooper in there and you can either use one scoop or two. And I've done both because I started off, trying all the different things. And sometimes I do need 2 scoops, but overall, 1 scoop will do it. So when you put this inside your washing machine, all the little magic that lives inside these little powders, they go to work to get rid of the terrible dog smell. It looks just like a regular powder, and it has a very light spring scent, but I don't smell it on the clothes. When I've washed them with just this, I don't get any smell. It comes with the scoop and it's resealable, and I've had no problem with the moisture getting in here. In fact, I have a moisture problem in my laundry room right now currently because we had a dryer situation. And with that, even so, no problem. It's got this little thing right here where air is allowed to get in and out, but no problem with the moisture getting inside the bag and ruining it. I've had similar products that I've had in a container. The moisture's gotten inside the container and that stuff just clumps up like that. You just got a brick of detergent. And I thought for sure this was gonna happen with this. So I bought some containers to put this in, and I still haven't because it's working just fine. I really want to, and so maybe I will soon. What do you keep your detergent in? Do you have cute containers or do you just keep them in the original? I'll link this for you below. I usually have a coupon, so if you see a coupon code down there, use it. They go on sale all the time. I will also include the entire video of cleaning my washer with the active mildew remover. Anyway, recommended if you have animals. I've got some of their other laundry stuff and I'll do a review on those soon too, but you cannot go wrong with Active. It's my favorite brand. Don't forget to subscribe because I'm gonna help you get your clothes clean, evidently. See you real soon.